How to know your Gmail password. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Let me guide it through quick and easy and how you can know your Gmail password. Well, in order to know your Gmail password, you can simply first go ahead and open up Gmail. Now in my case, I'm on iOS here. I don't have Gmail installed, but I have Mail instead. However, to view your Gmail password, what you can do is you can head into a particular browser and tap on the particular account section there. So I'll select another account here just in case. So once you open up the profile, you can open up directly the browser as well. So as you can see, I'm here, then tap on manage your Google account. Once you select manage your Google account for the particular Gmail account as well, you'll be headed to the same page. From here, head into security. Once under security, you want to scroll down and you can see here, scroll down further below. And you can see password manager. You want to select password manager, and from here, if you have saved your Gmail password right here on this page, you can choose to view password. So this is how you can view your Gmail password. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.